Shoots! How's it? In this video, I'm going to show you a DIY glow-in-the-dark stars with a UV reactive moon with the Blacklight. Alright, let's go! Okay, so I stole these glow-in-the-dark stars from my daughter's ceiling. She won't miss them, I think.
You can use my glow stars, Daddy.
Sweet! Okay, so these glow-in-the-dark stars already have phosphorescent inside them. It basically makes the stars glow in the dark when the blacklight charges them. So if they already have the phosphorescent glow in the dark, then why am I painting them? Well, I believe the more coats of phosphorescent paint you put on, the longer the glow will last. At least in theory, right? So we'll let the glow-in-the-dark stars dry. I'll be using this UV blacklight strip from Wish. I made a video on this blacklight, so if you want to see that review, I'll link the video in the description box below. Before installing the blacklight strip, make sure you clean the surface where you'll be putting the UV strip on. It has adhesive tape on the back of it. Also, make sure you use these clips. Trust me, use the clips. The adhesive tape will eventually give out and the UV strips will fall off. So I'm installing the UV blacklight strip just under the glow-in-the-dark stars. Lucky for me, this is in my garage and I have wood planks set up perfectly for this project. So for the glow-in-the-dark stars, you can use double-sided stick tape. I tend to like the clear glue-like adhesive tape, seems to stick a lot better. I'll leave a link for this in the description box below.
Yeah.
When installing on your ceiling, just make sure you clean the surface from dust. They'll stick on better and you shouldn't have any issues of the glow-in-the-dark stars falling off. You can spread them out however you like. Just make sure the stars are in reach of the blacklight or whatever light source you are using. Keep in mind though, regular light will also charge the glow-in-the-dark stars, but a blacklight will charge them a lot faster and keep the glow charge a lot longer. Now if you want to step up your glow star game, you can add a UV reactive moon, planets, or whatever you feel like. In this case, I'm using a big old moon. I think it gives more of a pop to the whole project. I'll leave some info on where to search for these UV posters in the description box below. If you have the room, you can add some more UV blacklights. The more power you have, the more of a pop you're going to get from the glow-in-the-dark stars and UV reactive material. You don't have any space for any UV blacklights? Then get yourself a UV flashlight. You can easily charge your glow-in-the-dark stars with one click of a button. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value out of this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification for future Blacklight content. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!